Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. You know that all I.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Woo! Yes, stuff is finishing. We are getting things done. It is a little after 8 in the morning. I just got off the bed and come back and lie down. And then, well, I'm trying to get off my hand, but as you can see, this is what's going on. He has complete hold of my hand, so I could only vlog on one hand, and I was like, I was messaging some people. Ooh, yay, the hand is free. But baby, oh my gosh, it's so cute to spend time with him in the morning. It's like so cute, you know. Yo, yesterday when I reached home from school, he was beyond happy. I mean, okay, honestly, like having that sort of reaction to when you're home makes you feel so much better inside and so good and so amazing. Because I was feeling like a little bit depressed, a little bit demotivated, and he was like Pooch here was, yeah, he came by the gate as soon as the car reached, and then he was like barking, and then he was like running and jumping and jumping and jumping, and I literally had to put down everything, and I had to just take out my blazer fast to play with him. And then like I was putting on the fan for him, and he was like pushing out in my hand because he just didn't want me to like focus on anything but him at that point in time, because he's so cute and he's a popo. Yes, mama love you. Alright guys, so plan for today, study, study, full on study for the entire day. That's how it is. So I apologize, I have not vlogged since this morning. It's like 20 to 12 right now, and I'm now gonna leave to go to class because I go in, as I said, keep repeating. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Today is the last day that I have to go to school. Is my last exam, and after that we just chill. I go into school early because I'm going to go in the library, study, do some work, you know, like get into that relaxation vibes, because not gonna lie, my body has been slowing down so much since it started, like the last month in November, last week in November, and then the first week in December. My body like just started to get slow, because I think it's because I kind of programmed my body to know that okay, school finishing, and then I just started working slower, and yeah, it's bad. Oh yeah, my background is because I kind of like walk down the hill. There's a river behind me, because I wanted to give Pooch a walk before I go, because he just gets sad when I leave. Oh, outfits. I put on my hat again because I love this hat. And I have some earrings. Yeah, a black, whatever overpiece you call this. This kind of like rusty brown orange tank top. And of course leggings and shoes. Yeah, I was feeling the black and white vibe, except that I can't find my black or white camisole, so this is what we have. So guys, we have baby Caymans. Look how cute they are. You're so cute. Hey, focus. Look how cute they are. Hi baby. Hello. Oh my god, Boogie, don't do that now, Boogie. Hi baby. Look how cute. Look how cute. Judah is so not going to like this. Judah, you're seeing this, Judah? Good morning! Guys, what is up? Like, what is going on? Okay, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we reached so far, and there's only a couple days left, and I still haven't edited stuff yet. Yeah, I am so like, I won't believe how happy I am. First of all, I apologize for not ending yesterday's vlog, but I'll combine yesterday and today. Yesterday was officially the last day in class for the year. Like, yes, the last day in school for the year. Final exam, last one. Thank you God. Except that I got up this morning only to realize that something that was supposed to be uploaded yesterday, things didn't work out so well, so I had to like rectify that situation this morning. But thankfully that is rectified, and hopefully that works out. I got up around 20 past 6. It's now 25 past 8. plans for today, it's going to the grocery, yeah, last minute stuff, but we're going to grocery, and then I have a very, very big day of editing, and I have a lot of cleaning to do, but I wouldn't do the cleaning today. And also, guys, I mean, okay, I know I'm staring at myself, but I mean, look at me here, right? Isn't this like, look at all of my curls. It's just, you know, I love my hair right now. Okay, truth be told, this is my natural hair. Now, hold up, that doesn't mean that my hair in all the other vlogs is unnatural. What I mean to say, let me explain myself. So my hair is generally curly and wavy, and if I cut this, it will be like, it would show curly like this, and even more curly, and it'll be bouncy. But because of the length of my hair, it pulls down all of my curls. Now it's just like wavy, and the only way it gets kind of like this and curly is if I like wash my hair the night before and then like leave it open to dry and sleep with it like that. Otherwise, once I comb this out, it's not gonna stay. It's just gonna get like wavy again. And yeah, so recommendations, guys. If it is, you know, if I could put anything in my hair to get my curls defined and activated, except the Carefree Curl Activator, because I used that already. It's okay-ish, but I want something lightweight that could still define my curls. I'm yet to try something, but yeah, that's about it. And yeah, let's just start the day. Outfit. This top, it's pretty translucent, and then I have some regular jeans. I will put on proper shoes, and then this gray handbag, of course. Don't I look festive? Oh my gosh, I just got my hat. Literally, like, honestly, I kind of like lost the 2 Santa Claus hats that I have, that I've been having for a while now. And what I have, I was actually wearing this one. Yeah, of course, this is my favorite. And then Daddy just got me this one. So I transitioned, because we have to be in the Christmas spirit, which is in the car here waiting. We, just finished Christmas groceries, and I think it's like after wait time, it's like after 2, so we're going home now. It is around 20 to 4. I just took a bath. I feel so much more refreshed and relaxed, like totally relaxed. Y'all won't believe how relaxed I am feeling, simply because I am home finally, and I don't have to study about hurrying up to go study or to finish an assignment, because yes, school has finished for the year. Now I know it's not much days left, but it sounds good for a while. But anyway, so we went MS Food City, that's in Davie, that's a grocery one by, and I found the best scent ever. Should I say scent? I found it smells so freaking amazing. Okay, so deep. First time I see this, is the first time I seen this air freshener, and it's like an exotic blends collection. This one is Flowers of Paradise, and this one is Mango Papaya. Oh yeah. This one smelling like a perfume, like full-on perfume. Like, trust me, I am so crazy enough to wear this as a perfume, but obviously like on my clothes and not on me. But this one too, oh gosh, this smells so good. Like, this is like heaven. It is as good as a Glade candle. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, one of my shelves, my clothing shelves, broke down last night. So I have this area here in a like hot mess right now with clothes all over the place, and then I have like some books to pack away. Like after every semester, what I do is put away each of my course stuff in like one file folder, like different, like organize it so I'll know where to find it and what year and what semester I did this course and things like that. So I need to organize that, and I need to get into like cleaning up more, and then like finishing decorating. We still haven't put up a tree. Let me be honest, tell you, the tree is always up all year round, but it doesn't have any decorations throughout the year. Right, so remember I said that one of my shelves in my room broke down. It was this little thing in the corner here, so I just neatened it up. I kind of put up that emoji thing so it looked like kind of decoration, and then I just like pack up my clothes, and I did not over stash it again so that it would break down. Current time 9:33 in the night. I only got to edit one video because I'm watching a movie, and then look at like the laptop and everywhere else, so I don't know why. And I'm just kind of just like super cool a little bit. Tomorrow,
anytime that I call, bring it, I go eat all.
All